The Prime Minister, the Chief Minister, everyone is alert and engaged in the activity. Sir.
सर ठीक है, आप जो मुनासिब समझे वो बोलिए। सर ये वायनाड के बारे में क्यों हंस रहे भाई? मैं कुछ भी बोलता सांप भी हंसते हैं और आप भी हंसते हैं क्या?
सर मन दुखी है मेरा, मैं हंस नहीं रहा हूँ। मैं साफ कहता हूँ, मैं नहीं हंस रहा हूँ, मन दुखी है। सुबह पता लगाया तो कहा कि 2 दर्जन है, फिर पता लगाया नंबर और बढ़ता जा रहा है। और ये बहुत अच्छा लगा कि सभी शक्तियां केंद्र की और राज्य की, प्रधानमंत्री और गृह मंत्री और मुख्यमंत्री सबके सब इस मामले में सक्रिय हैं।
ठीक है।
और देश में जहां भी विपदा आती है।
ठीक है साहब, ये देखिए मैं सर ये तो मुझे तो पूरी जानकारी वहाँ की नहीं है, और जो पेपर में मैं पढ़ा और वहाँ टेलीफोन से जो मालूमात लिया वही मुझे मालूम है, क्योंकि इतने लोग वहाँ पर मर चुके हैं वो मट्टी के ढेर में। अब तो 50 की गिनती हो गई, लेकिन उससे अंदाज़ा लगता है, क्योंकि ये रात के 2:30 बजे होने से किसी को पता नहीं चला कितने लोग मरे, कितने लोग हैं। और इसके लिए वहाँ की जो महिला है हमारी MP, उसके पास जानकारी है और वो अपनी बात रखना चाहती है। मैं आपसे विनती करता हूँ कि आप उसको अलाउ कीजिए, और जो चीज़ है, जो बातें आपने यहाँ पर बताया, सरकार अलर्ट है, होम मिनिस्ट्री अलर्ट, फलाना, वो बताएंगे।
फलाना नहीं बताएंगे,
नहीं, उनका सुनने के बाद वो बताएंगे। आप जो हमको इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहे हैं, उसके बजाय सरकार वो इंफॉर्मेशन दिए तो ठीक होगा। क्या स्पेशल स्क्वाड वहाँ पर गया है, क्या मिलिट्री गई है, क्या सेंट्रल पुलिस फोर्स गया है, क्या पैसे का इंतजाम हुआ है,
प्रतिपक्ष के नेता,
डॉक्टर्स का इंतजाम?
आपका कटाक्ष में पूरा समझ गया हूँ और मैं जानता हूँ कि मुझे क्या इंफॉर्मेशन देना चाहिए। मेहरबानी करके मर्यादित आचरण कीजिए।
नहीं,
आप इतना लाइट कर रहे हो, ये गंभीर मामला है।
यही तो मुश्किल है।
आपको अंदाजा होना चाहिए।
मैं तो ये कह रहा हूँ साहब,
सूर्योदय से पहले
जो
देश का नेतृत्व,
जो मालूमात और जो इंफॉर्मेशन आपके पास है, नहीं, वो सरकार हम सबको देना चाहिए। नहीं, आप रेफर करें।
बैठिए। आप ये कह रहे हैं कि आपके एक सदस्य को बोलने दूं, यही कह रहे हैं ना? All you are saying is
just she will speak.
I have heard it.
Please.
I have heard it. Honorable members, 1 second. I have understood. बैठिए. बस बैठिए. Please take your. Please, John Britas, please take your seat. Take your seat. Honorable members, okay. Take your seat. Those of the members. On what point? Are you saying the same thing which Leader of Opposition has said? I am surprised. No, how irritating it is to me. How irritating it is. Leader of the opposition has already said so. Do you need to supplement the leader of the opposition? Why? He doesn't need supplementation. If the leader of the opposition says something, it is supreme importance. Honorable members, one second. Please, would you please take seat? Would you please take your seat? Honorable members, kindly listen to me carefully. Thank you. I'm grateful. Honorable members, every disaster or a tragic situation anywhere in the country is concern of all of us. And I have indicated that in my chamber, several members of parliament have come. They have indicated their concern. I have also shared with them that it is a case in which, without loss of time, the state government, the central government have put themselves in action. Even before sunrise, dialogue with the Chief Minister has taken place. Everyone is acting. So all we can do at the moment is we express our serious concern. We express our solidarity and condolence with the families who have lost their loved ones. We wish speedy recovery to those who are injured. Beyond that, at the moment, if the honorable members would like to, number one. Number two, one second. No, sorry. No. Everyone would. Sir, I can't confine tragedy to one state. Mr. You don't have a. 1 second. Please. No, nothing will go on record, honorable members. Honorable members, please. This is not an occasion. Honorable members, take your seat. First, take your seat. Unless you will hear me, nothing will proceed. Take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. Honorable members, take your seat. Number one. 1 second. Mr. Sanjay Singh. 1 second. Mr. Sanjay Singh, sit down. 1 second. Mr. Sanjay Singh, you do not have any member from Aam Aadmi Party from Kerala. That does not mean you are not concerned. You are concerned. Every member of the House is concerned. Every member is concerned. Our country is one. What will you discuss? No. Honorable members, what will you discuss? No. What will you discuss? 1 second. No, sorry. So 1 second. Santosh Kumar, please. What will you discuss? No. What will you discuss? No, sorry. Honorable members, nothing will go on record. Dr. Medha Vishram Kulkarni demand for a special relief package for the victims of flood affected Maharashtra. Please.
Honorable Chairman, sir.
Please.
Honorable Chairman, sir, I rise today to draw attention to the devastating floods that have ravaged Pune, Kolhapur, Satara, Mumbai and other districts of Maharashtra, causing immense suffering and loss for the people. This situation demands immediate intervention from the central government, sir. Incessant rains have caused severe waterlogging, disruption normal life and forced school closures. Mumbai recorded its second wettest July with over 150 centimeters of rainfall. Tragically, from May 15 to July 25th of 2024, at least 94 people have died due to monsoon-related calamities, and with the 4 missing and 144 injured. The state government is implementing measures including rescue operations, relief camps and food distribution. I urge the central government to establish a committee to assess the damage and provide the special relief package for affected farmers, including financial aid for livestock losses, crop damages, compensation for families who lost loved ones, and infrastructure improvements to prevent future flooding. It has been observed that in many big cities there is a huge illegal infrastructural construction activity which is affecting nature. It gives us pain when the honest taxpayer living in the authorized legal society gets affected with the flood, and when his assets get damaged, no government agency takes responsibility of this. I urge the central government to inspect the infrastructural faults, encroachments, and illegal constructions which affect river and other aspects.
ವಿಶ್ವ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಜನಹಿತಕ್ಕಿದು ಜ್ಞಾನದ ಜಾಲ.